Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making lemon rice. Let's start by heating 2 tablespoons of ghee followed by mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal and chana dal, some peanuts and some cashews. Roast the dals and nuts on low heat until they change color. Add half teaspoon of hing. Add 6 to 7 curry leaves and let it splutter. Add half tablespoon of chopped ginger and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder at this point will give a beautiful yellow color to the rice. For some spiciness, we'll add in 2 Kashmiri red chilies and 1 slit green chilli. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes, after which add in 2 cups of boiled rice, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, and give it all a good mix. Take the pan off the heat and add in juice of 1 lemon. Adding lemon juice while the flame is still on may make the rice bitter. Give it a final mix and serve while the rice is still warm. Enjoy!